So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize the synced block inside of Notion. So to actually go ahead and do that, I'm going to press less on my keyboard right here and type in synced right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that it says sync content across pages. So now if I were to go ahead and let's say, for example, go ahead and say hello there right here, you can see that this is the original block right here. Let me just go ahead and copy this out right here, and then let me just go ahead paste this onto the same area. Let me just go ahead and copy this out as well. So this is in the new page, as you can see. So let's just go around and type it as sync, and over here in sample, let me just go ahead and paste this out right here, and around over here in, let's say, for example, sample page, I'm going to, let's say, post this out over here as well. So if I were to go around onto sync and type in, let's say, for example, hey, how are you? Then you can actually see that it is actually there in other page as well. So here, hi, how are you is in sync right here. So now if I were to go around over here, now here it says, hey, how are you as well. And in the sample, it's hey, how are you as well. So if I were to go ahead and type it in right here, now you can actually go ahead and then see that the same thing is being typed right here. So now what I can simply do is, let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and ask AI and say, generate a 1-paragraph story right here, just like this. So inside of the sync block right here, it's I'm actually letting let's say the AI insert out a paragraph. So if I were to go ahead and do that, now if I were to go to sync area, you can see the same story right here. And that is how the sync block actually works inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.